Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge cells in Excel. Let's get started. Merging cells in a spreadsheet is all about combining multiple adjacent cells into one single cell, which covers the entire group's area. There are various ways to achieve this in Excel, but we'll focus on the most straightforward and efficient method. Navigate to the Home tab, specifically the Alignment section, and discover 4 available options that allow you to merge and enmerge cells seamlessly. Now, let's break down each option using practical examples. First, choose the cells you wish to merge. If you want to center align the header text, opt for the first option, Merge and Center. However, if you prefer the text to remain as is, go with the third option from the top, Merge Cells. In our case, we want the text centered, so we'll select Merge and Center. This will merge all 4 cells into one with the text positioned in the middle. Let's move on. When you need to merge cells horizontally, essentially forming rows, select the area you want to format and click Merge Across. This creates space for notes and comments. In the course of formatting your table, you may occasionally need to revert the merged cells to their original state. Rest assured, it's a breeze. Simply select the area you want to unmerge and click on the last option, Unmerge Cells. Voila! Each cell is now separate once again. Before we wrap up, here's a handy tip. It's best to merge cells that either contain no text or have text in only one cell. If you try merging cells with different information, Excel will issue a warning message indicating that only the data from the top left cell will remain in the merge area. The contents of the other cells will be deleted, so you'd be left with just the January data. The information from the other 2 months would be lost. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.